anything happens to warrant a change of plans, schools in Nigeria will reopen in September. A senior official of Federal Ministry of Education confirmed on Friday, June 17, 2020 in Abuja. The official said the decision will be implemented after schools must have been put in proper position to control the spread of COVID-19. The senior official of Federal Ministry of Education also told newsmen that officials of the West African Examination Council (Waec) have been frequenting the ministry, National Assembly and other relevant agencies, lobbying the officials to persuade the government to reopen schools so as to allow graduating students to participate in the regional examination. The official disclosed that Waec officials have been uncomfortable since Nigeria announced that its students may not participate in the 2020 Waec examination. Since then, they have been lobbying and using every opportunity to make the government see reasons to reverse the decision and allow students participate in the examination, he said. The official said the Minister of State for Education, Chukwuemeka Nwajuba, met with Waec officials on Monday, and Waec officials agreed to further consult with 4 other countries on the possibility of a new date for the examination. Nwajuba himself later disclosed that the federal government and Waec have agreed to shift the date for the commencement of the West African Senior School Certificate Examination, WASC, from the August 4th date previously fixed for it. He announced that the new date for the examination is September 5, 2020. Meanwhile, the Director of Press, Federal Ministry of Education, Ben Gong, in a statement also on Friday, July 17, confirmed that federal government has given school owners in the country up to July 29 to meet specific guidelines towards the safe reopening of schools. He equally confirmed that the ministry has met with Federal Ministry of Health, Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC), the Education in Emergencies Working Group, and had developed and circulated guidelines for safe reopening of schools. Gong said that the minister had directed school owners to carefully study the recently released guidelines for safe reopening of schools, prepare and comply with the guidelines so that schools can be reopened. He explained, schools are to undertake self-assessment and send feedback to state ministries of education not later than 29th July 2020. Thereafter, consultations with relevant stakeholders will be held on 30th July 2020 to review the situation and decide on a specific date for reopening of schools or otherwise. We have consulted widely with stakeholders in the education sector, including commissioners of education in all the states of the Federation, the Association of Private School Owners of Nigeria (APSON), National Association of Proprietors of Private Schools (NAPS), provosts of colleges of education, rectors of polytechnics, vice chancellors of universities, state governors, and development partners on the issue of safe reopening of schools. It will be recalled that the federal government had on Monday, July 13, released a 52-page guideline document for safe reopening of schools, advising schools to strictly comply with the guidelines for the safety of students and teachers against COVID-19. From Lagos, this is Tina Timothy, News Express Nigeria Television.